Hello friends, today we gonna unbox Bosch TrueMixx Pro 750 watt. We gonna tell you its reviews. So first, its key features are it's 750 watt with 50 hertz of frequency and its weight is 6.3 kg. It has got 2 years warranty and high flux motor with 22,000 RMP speed, and it has 30-minute motor rating, which means that after 30 minutes you have to stop a little, then again you can grind for next 30 minutes. And its market price is 8,999, but its Amazon price is 5,499. So these are some key features of it, and now we're gonna unbox its jars and we're gonna show you its specifications. So we get 4 jars with it. The first one is, I'm showing you by opening all the jars. Now this one is our chutney jar. It has good plates. We can get blades in it. You can see the lid lock is very strong and you don't have to hold the lid for grinding, and very sturdy metal quality. It has steel. So I'm unboxing all these jars first. So it is our dry grinding jar. It has got 2 blades. The second one is first one is normal blade and the second one is blunt blade, which is also called as pounding blade. So it's a chutney jar. You can see the lid lock, how it's sturdy and strong. And this is our dry grinding jar, which has got 2 blades. And yes, it's changeable, means we can change the blades of it. So our third jar is a wet grinding jar, and you can see that there is a active flow beaker here. So to fit the active flow beaker, insert the active flow beaker in the groove on the inside of the big jar and slide it until it fits properly. To remove active flow beaker, it slide in the opposite direction, means to your left remove and to your right you can fit. You can see how we are doing it. So here are our 3 jars, and the final one is juicer. This is the this is what we call as collects all the peel offs or all the residue materials, and it has got fine plates. This is our lid of it. You can see how we have to open. There's also a knob on the top so that we can put water or fruits from the top by opening it. And this is the way how we have to pour the juice. So these are our 4 jars. You could see how beautiful and sturdy they are, and also they are best in material. They have best material steel quality. So it has got pounding blade, which grinds our what we call masalas and spices very efficiently. Now the main is our mixer. You can see. So first we should open it. You can see it's black in color and quite glossy in texture. So it's wire, and you could see that the locks are very strong. First, when it fits to the ground, it is not easy to just remove. It has good, you can see it gets good vacuumated at the bottom. very strong force is required to remove it. So it's good that the jar does not fall or so you can see the wire length is quite too short about expectations. It should be more long. And this is the for the left side we could use the pulse to give pulse to the mixer, and this has three grinding steps. Every grinder has 3 stages: fast, slow, medium and fast. This is the reboot if your grinder, if your grinder for some reason stops working or just for some technical reasons, so you could press it and again it starts working. So it's slow, medium and fast. Three switches, 3 functions are there. And I'm going to show you how it fits to the jars. So it's quite sturdy. Its locks are good, whether it's about lid lock or fitting the jars in the mixer, and or about, you can see how it holds to the ground, so it does not fall easily. And this is what is required to change the blades of the jar, to change the blades of the jar. And we can also use to mix or just to make something. So here you can see how we gonna open it. So here we have taken our wet grinding jar. You should remember that the chutney jar is not changeable. The blades are not changeable of chutney jars, but medium sized jar and our means dry grinding jar, which is of medium size, and large jar, which is wet grinding jar, they are changeable. And of course juicer is also changeable. The blades are changeable here. Now we're gonna show you the sound, how it sounds. You can see it's quite high. Its noise is quite loud.
So this is what?
Now it's juice time. Now we're gonna make some juice, orange juice out of it. To just see that how it works. So we have taken almost 2 oranges. Now we cover the lid. Now we're gonna lock the lid perfectly. And it's on. And the remaining residues are inside that residue jar. You can say as the peel collector or residue collector. The consistency is quite thick. We can just mix water and add some sugar to it, or we can just drink it simply. It's quite awesome. So this is our juice, orange juice, fresh orange juice. So So here was our review, and thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more such videos.